If you're not familiar with baby-led weaning, it's a method of introducing solid foods to baby that allows them to feed themselves and explore different textures and flavors. It's a great way to encourage independence and develop their motor skills. Today we will make chicken lumpia. Lumpia is a popular Filipino spring roll traditionally made a party food. First, let's make the filling. Leftover chicken shredded or chopped finely. Chopped onions. Shredded carrots. Mixed. Add eggs. Add seasonings such as cane sugar, garlic powder, salt, cornstarch, and black pepper. And blend them all well together. Take a lumpia wrapper and place a spoonful of the filling at the center. Roll the wrapper tightly, tucking in the sides as you go. Seal the end with egg whites. Repeat until all the filling is used up. Heat some oil in the pan and fry the lumpia until golden brown and crispy. For my baby, I set aside some fillings. Either make a kebab or meatballs. While it is not safe for baby to eat deep-fried spring rolls yet, use the lumpia fillings to introduce your baby to the same fun flavors we love.
Thank you for watching.